This video is to show how to create a unit distribution chart in Power BI for tracking progress of one task across different blocks. We have previously shown an example of creating a unit distribution chart using Pivot Table in Excel. We have also shown the same using Tableau instead. Let us now take a look at how we can use Power BI to create a similar chart. We can refer to a bridging table worksheet of the practice file which has data related to block, unit, task, target start, target end, actual start and actual end in tabular format. Extract the level data using mid function, the unit number data using right function and the completion status using the if function. Cut and paste the dataset into Power BI service. Promote the first row as header and open up a blank report. You can see the interface of Power BI is broken down from left to right into a navigation pane, a report page, a filter pane, a visualization pane and a fields pane. Expand the table to see the various fields imported and select to create a matrix table under the visualization pane. The interface is very similar to Pivot Table in Excel. Drag and drop the level data as row header, the unit number data as column header and the completion status as values. For the filter on the visual, we shall add the block data. And for the filter on the page, we shall add the task data. We can see the unit distribution chart taking shape after we filter by one task and one block. The values have been reduced to 1 for completed status and 0 for uncompleted status. We proceed on to the Format tab to remove the subtotals for rows as well as for columns. Next we proceed to select conditional formatting for the background color and the font color to distinguish the 0 and 1 values visually using colors. We then turn on the grid lines and select a dark color for the lines for better clarity. At the report page, we can select to sort the level data of the chart in reversed order instead with level 1 at the bottom and level 10 at the top. Using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, cut and paste the visualization chart created to replicate the charts for the next two blocks and change the block filter value accordingly. Add text boxes to add the block references for each of the chart created. This is quite straightforward and very similar to Excel pivot table concept, right? I hope this video convinced you that being familiar with Excel pivot table and working with tabular format data is beneficial, as you can easily pick up Power BI as well. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the bell notification button.